Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in Atlantic City. We're going to do a tour of the Bally's Hotel and Casino parking garage. Originally I was booked on level 2, but I slipped the reservation agent at 20 and got upgraded to level 4, which has beautiful views of the Atlantic Avenue, that is. My stay at the garage was kind of noisy, but at $10 a day, hey, you get what you pay for. Shortly after I unpacked my trunk in the parking garage and made myself comfortable, I got a call on my cell phone from the front desk saying they were very sorry, but they seem to have overbooked the garage today, and would I mind staying in room 2233 in the hotel tower instead? I was a little disappointed, but I was here already, and I'm a good sport, so I started to head towards room 2233 in the Bally's tower here. I don't think I ever stayed here at Bally's in Atlantic City. If I did, it was years ago, and they were owned by Caesars until about, I guess, a year ago when they sold the hotel and casino to Twin Rivers Worldwide Holdings, and they've been doing a lot of changes from what I could see in my past few visits in the hotel and casino. But again, I never stayed here, so I wanted to check out what was going on in the room, plus what changes have been made since my last visit here a few weeks ago. I'm here in the fall, and it's a weekday here at Bally's in New Jersey, and I got here around noon. The entire room cost me about $100, includes all the resort fees and taxes and everything else, which is about the going rate for a hotel of this caliber here in Atlantic City during off-season, which is where we are right now. Walking down this corridor on the left-hand side are the stairs and elevator that used to bring you to Harry's Oyster Bar. Harry's is no longer here. That's a huge change for this hotel. One of the reasons I used to visit this hotel in the first place. And on the right-hand side is the new rewards area. They no longer accept the Caesars rewards here, so you have to sign up for a new card. It's unfortunate that the garage tour has turned into a room tour today, but that being said, that's all this video is going to be today, is a tour of the Bally's Hotel and Casino room. There will be a thorough walkthrough of the entire hotel and casino in a video coming up shortly. Twin Rivers bought this joint from Caesars for $25 million, and they're sinking $100 million into renovations and improvements. Hopefully some of that money will go into replacing this rug and that god-awful brass ceiling. One of the first things Twin Rivers spent some of that money on, that improvement money, was on the computer equipment here in the hotel and casino, which is all done as far as I know. I think it's all completed. That's obviously improvements and money spent that we can't see as consumers here, but from what I understand, the old equipment was horrible, and we should see improvements in service here. And speaking of service, from comments from you guys here on the New York channel, I've had a lot of complaints about customer service here at Bally's. I will say that during my visit here, I was treated very friendly at the front desk. I checked in very quickly. It was an early check-in, scheduled for 4 o'clock, but I managed to get in at 12 o'clock. I got a nice upgrade with the room view. Nothing but smiles and quick service here, so hopefully that's changed. And now we're heading up to room 2233, which is a king ocean view non-smoking room. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my last Las Vegas video, the Sahara on the Las Vegas Strip. And a special shout out to Wise Malik for finding 4 older mascots in 4 older videos in one day, which is a record for this channel. Apparently, Wise Malik had some time on his hands and found 4 mascots in one day. That's a record, like I said. If anyone wants to break it, feel free to do so. I was notified upon checking in that there is construction going on in the rooms as they're being renovated, and there might be some noise from, I believe it was 9 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, or I don't know, they gave me the hours. There's also a notice inside the room, and they make that very clear when you're checking in. I believe it's also on their website, so keep that in mind. I will say while I was here, there was no noise whatsoever. And I will say that this room, 2233, has been completely renovated at this point, so let's check it out, shall we? As you can see, I have the laptop out for a little work before a lot of play. What'd you think of the Bally's room? It was $100 with all the fees and taxes for the night. They told me it was renovated, and it certainly looks brand new, but those brass fixtures in the bathroom are very 80s. Maybe they just threw some polish on those. In any event, hope you guys enjoyed the room. Let me know what you think below. Lots more coming from Atlantic City, including food and more room tours. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.